Maybe I'm an overly artistic, cosmic kind of soul. I think when I look at this tree and the beautiful way that the branches flow up from that one trunk, it just makes me think that we, as a species, we need to experience magnificence. And that is something that is found out in the country. The further out, the better. Where are you going to experience magnificence? In the city. It all comes down to this one trunk. And it just flows outward and bifurcates there. And it bifurcates again and again. And it's just so magnificent. This is 2 months into spring. And the leaves are out, but they've not gone to their full celery green color. There's still a lot of chartreuse in it. I just love this tree. It calms me. I just sit here on my porch in the cool of the evening, and I enjoy this piece of magnificence.